But it's 8 now. It's not cold, very cold, but it's nice up. I think today we're at 1 degrees Celsius.
Orange leaves.
Yes, they look so beautiful.
It's nice. I like the different seasons. April is very nice.
Oh, April is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, because that's when summer. Yes.
Beginning.
And everywhere is now green.
The trees start blooming.
Yeah.
So I'm a Christian, and we have a holiday.
Easter.
Easter. It's beautiful. I love Easter.
Easter, yeah.
One of my favorite holidays. Favorite time of the year.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
You're a Catholic?
Yeah.
Same here.
It's not too hot and it's not too cold.
Yeah.
So we used to dress up the children very nice for that day. Go to church.
And do you fast the 40 days of Lent?
No, I fast like Fridays.
And Fridays, mostly Fridays, right?
Yeah, mostly Fridays.
For the way of the cross.
Yeah.
And beautiful. That's good.
We
Good
get
to know.
the Ash Wednesday. We
Yes.
put ash on the forehead.
Yeah.
You're from Ghana?
No, we're from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah, you know Kenya?
I heard about the.
You were about Kenya. It's in East Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're from
Very
Kenya.
nice. Yeah. Very nice.
In a mile, turn left on Penn's Way, then turn
And
right.
it will be snowing tomorrow again. I saw the forecast.
Yeah, it's gonna
It will be snowing tomorrow again.
started flurrying about an hour ago up in Montclair.
Oh.
So maybe it start tonight.
And this takes how long to clear? Or maybe a week?
It depends. If you have.
But if it rains, it melts away very fast.
yeah, if you get 35 degree,
Yeah.
40 next week it should melt.
Oh.
Unless you get a new one. You know.
Then it will come on top of this again.
Yeah, if you have a lot,
Yeah.
like 2-3 feet, it takes a while to clear up. We have gone through like almost end of April with snow on the ground.
Oh,
2010.
oh, that is the 3 feet.
Yeah, we had a lot of snow during that winter. In 2013 also. So it took us with the snow on the ground mid-April.
Independence. Mommy. Mommy.